Hello friends, today we will discuss about the insertion sort. So first we define insertion sort. The basic idea of this method is to place an unsorted element into correct position in growing sorted list of data. It is the simplest sorting algorithm which sort the array by shifting element one by one. The idea of insertion sort is similar to idea of sorting the playing card. It is very simple method to sort the number in an increasing or decreasing order. Insertion sort works well for arrays having smaller size. In insertion sort we find exact position for an element in an array and insert the element in that position. In insertion sort we insert element in an existing sorted array. So we will discuss advantages as well as disadvantages of insertion sort. So we discuss advantages. Insertion sort is simplicity. It also exhibits a good performance when dealing with a small list. The insertion sort is an in-place sorting algorithm, so the space requirement is minimal. So disadvantages of insertion sort is does not perform as well as other better sorting algorithm. With n squared shape required for every n element to be sorted, the insertion sort does not deal well with a huge list. Therefore, the insertion sort is particularly useful only when sorting a list of few items. Let's see the examples. Solve by using insertion sort. The given array is 85, 14, 36, 23, 69, 91, 18, 9, 20, 65. So in pass 1 we compare first two elements 85 and 14. So 14 is less than 85. So 14 is shifted in first position in pass 1. So pass 2 array becomes 14, 85, 36, 23, 69, 91, 18, 9, 20, 65. In pass 2 we compare 14 and 85, 85 and 36. Then 36 is shifted in a second position in pass 3. So pass 3 array becomes 14, 36, 85, 23, 69, 91, 18, 9, 20, 65. In pass 3 we compare 14, 36, 36, 85, 85, 23. So 23 is shifted in a second position. So pass 4 array becomes 14, 23, 36, 85, 69, 91, 18, 9, 20, 65. So in pass 4 we compare two elements 14, 23, 23, 36, 36, 85, 85, 69. So 69 is shifted in third position in pass 5. So pass 5 array becomes 14, 23, 36, 69, 85, 91, 18, 9, 20, 65. In pass 5 we compare 14, 23, 26, 36, 36, 69, 69, 85, 85, 91. So in pass 5 the comparison array is in increasing order. So pass 5 and pass 6 is similar. 14, 23, 36, 69, 85, 91, 18, 9, 20, 65. In pass second with pass 6 compare 14, 23, 23, 36, 36, 69, 69, 85, 85, 91, 91, 18. So 18 is shifted in a second position in pass 7. So pass 7 array becomes 14, 18, 23, 36, 69, 85, 91, 9, 20, 65. So pass 7 we compare 14, 18, 18, 23, 23, 36, 36, 69, 69, 85, 85, 91, 91, 9. So 9 is shifted in a first position in pass 8. So array becomes 9, 14, 18, 23, 36, 69, 85, 91, 20, 65. In pass 8 we compare 9, 14, 14, 18, 18, 23, 23, 36, 36, 69, 69, 85, 85, 91, 91, 20. So 20 is shifted in a fourth position in pass 9. So array becomes 9, 14, 18, 20, 23, 36, 69, 85, 91, 20, 65. In past 9 we compare 9, 14, 14, 18, 18, 20, 20, 23, 23, 36, 36, 69, 69, 85, 85, 91, 91, 65. So in past 10, the array becomes in increasing order 9, 14, 18, 20, 23, 36, 65, 69, 85, 91. So final sorted list is 9, 14, 18, 20, 23, 36, 65, 69, 85, 91,